How to buy furniture on Amazon. Looking for a new furniture? This guide shows you how you can buy furniture on Amazon so you can find the perfect furniture for your home. First, open the Amazon shopping app. In the search bar, type in the name of the furniture item that you're looking for, like sofa or dining table. You'll see a variety of furniture items with different styles and prices. You can use the filters to narrow down the search results. You can filter by size, material, color, and more. You should also check the product's dimensions and materials in the product description. This will help you find the right furniture for your home. You should also check the reviews and ratings. This will give you an idea of what the other people think about the product, and you can read all the reviews to see if the furniture is durable, if it's easy to assemble, and if it's worth the price. It is a great way to make an informed decision. You now know how to buy furniture on Amazon. Get ready to find the perfect furniture for your home. Like and subscribe for more app tips.